Video lesson prepared by N. Markandaya, lecturer in chemistry, Dr. BRR Government Degree College, Jedchalla, Department of Chemistry. Topic is carbohydrates, 6th semester, paper 7. So today topic is stereochemistry of fructose. So before that, structural elucidation of the fructose. So fructose is a monosaccharide. The molecular formula of fructose is C6H12O6. So it is a ketoexase. So because the fructose contain the keto functional group and 6 carbon atoms. So it is a ketohexose. It is a levorotatory. So it can rotate the plane polarized light towards the left side direction or anti-clockwise direction. So it is a fructo-levorotatory. Fructose is a levorotatory. So it is the most important ketose which occurs widely in fruits, hence commonly referred as fruit sugar. So next, the structure of fructose is determined as follows. First one, experimental analysis and the molecular weight determination. The molecular formula of fructose is C6H12O6. Second one, reduction with HI and red phosphorus. So HI and red phosphorus, the fructose gives a N-hexane. So this reaction shows this fructose contain 6 carbon atoms are straight chain. It shows the 6 carbon atoms are in straight chain. Next, reaction with ammonium hydroxide and HCN. Fructose react with the ammonium hydroxide to give a oxime, and fructose react with the hydrogen cyanide to give a cyanohydrin. It shows that fructose contain the carbonyl functional group, that may be the aldehyde functional group or keto functional group. So far it is contain the carbonyl functional group. Next, reduction with acetic anhydride. Fructose react with the acetic anhydride in the presence of pyridine. It gives a fructose pentacetate. Fructose pentacetate. This reaction indicates the fructose contain 5 OH groups. 5 OH groups. Fructose is a stable compound, so this 5 OH groups should attach. So 5 different carbon atoms should attach to 5 different carbon atoms. Next, oxidation with bromine water. So fructose does not react with the bromine water. So this reaction shows the fructose does not contain the aldehyde functional group. So if it contains the aldehyde functional group, with bromine water it gives a carboxylic acids, but fructose does not give any product to bromine water, so it does not contain the aldehyde functional group. Next, partial reduction with sodium amalgam. So fructose react with the sodium amalgam. It gives a sorbitol and mannitol. Sorbitol and mannitol. So ಈ sorbitol and mannitol are the epimers. Epimers means, so they differ the configuration at C2 carbons. So both are the epimers. So it gives a sorbitol and mannitol. This reaction shows that presence of keto functional group. This reaction shows that presence of keto functional group. Oxidation with HNO3. Fructose oxidized with concentration HNO3 gives a glyconic acid and tartaric acid. Glyconic acid and tartaric acid. So this reaction shows the keto group present at C2 carbon. Keto group present at C2 carbon, and this fructose contain the primary alcohol group at C1 and C2 carbon. Keto group at C2 carbon, primary alcohol group at C1 and C6 carbon. Based on these facts, the structure of fructose is structure of fructose is Cl. We can write like this also. CH2OH, C double bond O, CHOH, 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 CH2OH. This is the structure of fructose. Here see, it contains a ketone functional group and two primary alcohol functional group. These two are the first carbon and 6 carbon contain the primary alcohol, and the second carbon contain the keto functional group. These third and fourth and fifth carbons are the secondary alcohols. From the above facts, the fructose structure of fructose is this one: CH2OH, C double bond O, CHOH, 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 CH2OH. This is the fructose functional group. Fructose contain the 6 carbons, so it is a hexose, and it contain the keto functional group, so fructose is a ketohexose. So it is levorotatory, so it can rotate the plane polarized light towards the left side direction or anti-clockwise direction. This is the structural elucidation of fructose. Next, see the stereochemistry of fructose. This is the structure of fructose. Fructose contain the CH2OH, C double bond O, CHOH, CHOH, COHH, CH2OH. This is the first carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth carbon. This is the straight chain structure of fructose. In straight chain structure of fructose, fructose contain the 3 chiral carbons. See here, third carbon, fourth carbon and fifth carbon are the chiral carbons, because third, fourth, fifth carbons contains the 4 different groups. So these C3, C4, C5 are the chiral carbons. So here the structure suggested for the fructose contains the 3 chiral centers, C3, C4 and C5. So therefore, the number of possible stereoisomers for fructose would be 2 to the power of 3. So generally 2 to the power of, from the 2 to the power of n equation, here n is equal to number of chiral centers. Here total 3 chiral centers are there. So T2 2 to the power of 3, that means 8. So that is 4 pair of enantiomers. That means the naturally occurring levorotatory fructose is 1 among 8 isomers. Total fructose contain the 8 isomers. In that 8 isomers, 4 are the dextrorotatory, so remaining 4 are the levorotatory. In these 8 naturally occurring levorotatory fructose is, so 1 isomer among the 8 isomers. Okay, totally, so fructose contain the 8 isomers. In that 8, 4 are the dextrorotatory, so remaining 4 are the levorotatory. So finally 4 pair of enantiomers are there. 4 pair of enantiomers. See here, This is first one. See the first carbon CH2OH, second carbon C double bond O. See third, fourth, fifth carbon OH is right side, H is left side, CH2OH. This is the D acicose, D psychose, D psychose. From same, according to glyceraldehyde, in the second, the last CH2OH above carbon, see here like here, glyceraldehyde, HOH, CHOH. So in this above CH2OH carbon, OH is so left side here. So it is a D isomer. It is a D isomer. So next one, second one, CH2OH, C double bond O. OH is left at third carbon, fourth carbon OH is right, fifth carbon OH is right, CH2OH. This is also D fructose. So here CH2OH, this CH2OH is in the right side, so this is D fructose. Next D sorbose. Here C2OH, C double bond O. So third carbon OH is right, fourth carbon OH is left, fifth carbon OH is right, CH2OH. This is also so D sorbose. And the next T tagatose. Here CH2OH, C double bond O, third carbon OH left, fourth carbon OH is left, fifth carbon OH is right, next CH2OH. Here also this OH is in right side direction, so this is a D tagatose. These are the so D isomers of the fructose, 4 D isomers, remaining 4 so L isomers. Total 8 isomers are possible for ketose. This is the D family of ketoses. D acicose, D fructose, D sorbose, D tagatose. These are the 4 isomers. Remaining 4 L isomers are present. This is the stereochemistry of fructose. Next, see the same Vosgeon formation from glucose and fructose. Same Vosgeon formation from glucose and fructose. See here, so D-glucose react with 3 moles of phenyl hydrazine and forms a yellow crystalline solid known as a Vosgeon. So glucose react with the 3 moles of phenyl hydrazine to form a yellow crystalline Vosgeon, which is stabilized by intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So this Vosgeon, glucosidone is stabilized by intramolecular hydrogen bonding. The formation of Vosgeon destroys the configuration at C2, that is it is converted to achiral center, chiral center to achiral center at C2 carbon. So at the same minus fructose also forms a Vosgeon with phenyl hydrazine, and it is observed that D plus glucose and so minus fructose forms a same Vosgeon. So both are form a same Vosgeon, D glucose and so minus fructose forms a same Vosgeon with phenyl hydrazine. So see here, this is the glucose, D glucose, CH2, OH, CHO, CHOH, 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 CH2OH. It react with the 3 moles of phenyl hydrazine. So this is the phenyl hydrazine. We can write like this also. NH bond NH2. This is the phenyl hydrazine to form a, from glucose forms a glucosazone. This is the glucosazone. Here C double bond N bond NHPH. The second carbon also participate in the formation of wasazone. Here C double bond N contain the pH group, H contain the hydrogen. The hydrogen bond between these nitrogen and these hydrogen, so coordinate with the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding means the more electronegative atom and the hydrogen contain the more electronegative atom are in the form a hydrogen bond. So this nitrogen and this hydrogen forms a hydrogen bond. So this wasazone is stabilized by the intramolecular hydrogen bond between this nitrogen and this hydrogen. Next is same D minus fructose also gives a same wasazone with phenyl hydrazine, 3 moles of phenyl hydrazine. In this reaction also participate only first carbon and third carbon, second carbon. So gives a same wasazone. So from fructose it will gives a fructosazone, glucose gives a glucosazone. So in the formation of glucosazone, see here the formation of glucosazone destroy the configuration at C2 carbon. Here D-glucose, this C2 carbon contain the 4 different groups. So C2 carbon is a chiral carbon. So in this formation of glucosazone, this carbon contain the C double bond N. It is a achiral carbon. So in the formation of glucosazone, so destroy the configuration at C2 carbon of glucose. So it converted to a chiral center. Chiral to, this is the chiral carbon. So this is the achiral carbon. This is the chiral. So it converted to achiral carbon to the achiral carbon. The fructose also forms a same wasazone with phenyl hydrazine. So it is observed that D glucose and minus fructose forms a same wasazone. This is the structure of wasazone. Wasazone is stabilized by intramolecular hydrogen bond between nitrogen and hydrogen. So this is very, very important. See the mechanism of this reaction. See here, take the first D-glucose. So D-glucose react the first mole of the phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine formula is PHNH2. So in the carbonyl group of D-glucose, so react with the 1 mole of phenyl hydrazine. So removing of water molecule, so this react with form, this bond will form. This CH double bond N bond NH bond C6 H5 will form with first phenyl hydrazine molecule. Next this, so react with the second mole of phenyl hydrazine. So this second mole of phenyl hydrazine, so oxidizes to this second carbon, that is secondary alcohol to keto functional group. So keto functional group, and it reduces as a aniline. C6H5NH2 and ammonia. So this second mole of phenyl hydrazine oxidizes to secondary alcohol of C2 carbon to keto functional group, and it convert into aniline C6H5NH2 and ammonia. So and this carbon, this group, so react with the third mole of phenylhydrazine. So this keto functional group react with the phenylhydrazine, so to remove a water molecule and form a glucosazone. This is the mechanism of glucosazone. Okay, so here first mole of phenylhydrazine react with the glucose, so to form a hydrazone. This is glucose hydrazone. This is a hydrazone. And the second mole of phenylhydrazine convert to the C2 carbon, secondary alcohol of C2 carbon into carbonyl functional group, or oxidizes, and it will convert to the aniline and ammonia. Next, this group react with the third mole of phenylhydrazine to form a glucosazone. So see the same. So here fructose. So the difference here, fructose, this first mole of phenylhydrazine react with the keto functional group. So here second carbon contain the keto functional group to form a phenyl hydrazine form a hydrazone. See here mechanism. So by removing of water molecule, so it will form a hydrazone. Next, this hydrazone react with the second mole of phenylhydrazine. So this second mole of phenylhydrazine oxidizes to primary alcohol of first carbon atom to aldehyde alcohol to, so aldehyde, and it will convert a aniline and ammonia. Next, third mole phenylhydrazine, so react with the, so this hydrazone, and this aldehyde group participate in this reaction. This aldehyde group participate in this reaction with this aldehyde group. Participate in the reaction with the third mole of phenylhydrazine to form a, so fructosazone. So see here same glucosazone and fructosazone having contain the same structure. See third carbon, first carbon and second carbon participate in the formation of osazone, and see the configuration of third carbon, so of glucosazone. This third carbon of glucosazone and third carbon of fructosazone same, and fourth carbon of glucosazone and fourth carbon of fructosazone same, fifth carbon of glucosazone and fifth carbon of fructosazone same, and sixth carbon CH2OH same. So this fructosazone glucosazone structure is same. So third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, so contain the same configuration of glucosazone and fructosazone. So with the phenylhydrazine, so glucose and fructosazone form a same osazones. So this is the mechanism of glucosazone and fructosazone. So in formation of glucosazone and fructosazone, 3 moles of phenylhydrazine participate in the reaction. 3 moles of phenylhydrazine participate in the reaction. This is about the glucosazone. So next see the cyclic structure of fructose. minus fructose, cyclic structure of fructose. So fructose also exists in alpha and beta forms and exhibits mutarotation. This fructose also exhibits a mutarotation. Therefore, similar to glucose, fructose also exists in the hemiacetal formation, and based on experimental evidences, fructose structure suggested for minus fructose. Fructose structure suggested for minus fructose. So that means fructose also exists in the hemiacetal formation. Fructose also participate in the formation of hemiacetal. So based on the experimental evidences, fructose is furanose structure. Fructose anomalous with furanose structure. Furanose structure, that is known as a fructofuranose. See here, this is the open chain structure of fructose. This first carbon, this second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon OH. Fifth carbon OH so participate in the formation of cyclization or formation of hemiacetal. Formation of hemiacetal. See here, this carbon and oxygen is more electronegative than the carbon. So this pi bond shift towards the oxygen. Then this carbon will get the positive charge. So this electron pair participate in the cyclization. So this cyclic structure contain the 5 carbon atoms. So 5 atoms, totally 5 atoms. So 4 are the carbon atoms. See here, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, and one more oxygen. So see here, 2 isomers are possible for this. One is alpha D glucofructofuranose and beta D plus glucofructofuranose. See here, this is the analogs to the furan. See here, furan structure is, this is the furan structure. So furan contain the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ring, 5 atoms containing ring. In this 5 rings, 4 are the carbon and another one is the oxygen. So these hemiacetal looks like a furan. So it is known as a furanose. It is known as a furanose. Is exist in the 2 forms. One is the alpha D fructofuranose and beta D plus fructofuranose. This is this cyclic form here. OH is so left side, so it is a beta isomer. Here OH is a right side, so it is a alpha isomers. So this is the cyclic structure. So fructose exists in the 2 cyclic forms, that is a alpha D fructofuranose and beta D plus fructofuranose with a, so this is 5 carbon CH2OH. See next the Haworth structure of fructose. Haworth structure of fructose. See the first, take the Fischer furan alpha D plus fructofuranose. This is the Fischer projection. In this Fischer projection, see 4 carbons are in the straight chain This is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. This is the sixth carbon. So in the straight chain, 4 carbons are straight, and CH2OH and CH2OH are the left, and OH are the right side. This O in the cyclization. So this is the 5 atoms containing the cyclic. This is known as a furan. This is the Fischer projection formula. In Fischer projection formula, second carbon OH is right side, CH2OH is left side. Third carbon H is right side, OH is left side. Fourth carbon OH is right, so hydrogen is left. In fifth carbon H is right, in CH2OH is left. So this structure is alpha D plus fructofuranose. This is the Fischer projection formula. So by taking this Fischer projection formula, so we can write the Haworth projection formula. So this Haworth projection formula is somewhat better structure than the Fischer projection formula. So take here furan. So write here same like furan. This right side atoms or groups are right in the below in Haworth projection. These right side groups in a Fischer projection are right the below in Haworth projection. See here in second, this is the first two, this is the second carbon, this is the third carbon, this is fourth carbon, this is fifth carbon. In second carbon OH is right, CH2OH is left. So right side group write first downward, and left side group write above CH2OH. From third carbon H is right, so H is right in the downside and OH in upside. And fourth carbon OH is right side, so OH is in down, H is in up. Fifth carbon, so H is right side, so H is right the down and CH2OH. Right side groups exist in the downward direction, downward in Haworth projection formula. So and left side groups are exist in the upward direction, upward in Haworth projection formula. So this is the alpha D plus fructofuranose of Fischer. This is the Fischer projection formula, and this is the Haworth projection formula. Only see here this projection and this projection. So only configuration at differ the configuration at only C2 carbon only. So differ the configuration at C2 carbon only. Remaining all are the equal. See here next beta D plus fructofuranose. In the second carbon OH is left side, CH2OH is right side. Third carbon H is right side, OH is left side. And fourth carbon OH is right side, H is left side. And fifth carbon H is right side, CH2OH is left side, and furan structure is there. This is the beta D plus fructofuranose. This is the Fischer projection formula. So in this Fischer projection formula, same right side groups, these right side groups these right side groups. So write the in the downward direction in a Haworth projection. See here, this is the first two, this is second carbon, this is third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. And second carbon CH2OH is right side and OH is left side. So here CH2OH is downward, OH is upward. And third carbon OH is right side. Sorry, H is right side and OH is left side. So here H is in downward, left side OH is upward. And fourth carbon OH is right side, H is left side. So OH, right side OH is downward, so hydrogen is upward. And fifth carbon H is right side, CH2OH is left side. So downward hydrogen is, right side hydrogen is downward, left side CH2OH is upward. This is the Haworth configuration. In alpha D fructofuranose and beta alpha D plus fructofuranose, both are defined at the only second carbon configuration, only second carbon. So in the second carbon OH is upward, CH2 OH downward. See here, so in alpha D fructofuranose Haworth formula, at the second carbon OH is downward, CH2OH is upward, remaining all are the same. See here both, see here only second carbon. In alpha OH down, CH2OH up. In beta isomers CH2OH is down, OH is up. So these are the Haworth conformations of, so alpha and beta fructofuranose forms. So this is the cyclic. Generally fructose exists in the furanose conformation, furanose structures. So this is the minus fructofuranose also exists in the alpha and beta forms and exhibits mutar rotation. So this fructose also exhibits in the mutar rotation. So this fructose so exists as a open chain structure as well as the cyclic structure. So therefore similar to glucose, fructose also exists in the hemiacetal formation, and based on the experimental evidences it exists in the furanose structure. It exists in the furanose structure. Glucose exists in the pyranose structure. Pyranose is a 6-membered cyclic hemiacetal form, but furanose is a 5-membered cyclic hemiacetal form. So fructose exists in the 5-membered furanose hemiacetal form. Glucose exists in the 6-membered pyranose form. So this same formation of mutar rotation, glucose and fructose forms a same osazone with phenyl hydrazine. Here 3 moles of phenyl hydrazine participate in the reaction. So first mole phenyl hydrazine forms a hydrazone, second mole phenyl hydrazine convert a secondary alcohol to keto functional group. So third mole phenyl hydrazine remain participate in the formation of osazone. So this osazone is stabilized by intramolecular hydrogen bonding in glucosazone as well as the fructosazone. So glucosazone and as well as the fructosazone. Next, stereochemistry. Fructose contain the only 3 chiral centers. So but in glucose contain the 4 chiral carbons. So glucose forms a 2 to the power of 4, 16 isomers. 2 to the power of 4, 16 isomers. Here glucose contain a so only 3 isomers. 2 to the power of 3, 8 isomers only. So this is the difference between the glucose and fructose. Okay. Thank you.